Bitcoin aims at 73k. Bitcoin is currently at 67k and aims for 73k. If it rejects, it will test lower. Where will the price go the coming days? Let's find it out in today's analysis. Hello people, I'm the NakedTrader and today I will analyze Bitcoin USDT, Microsoft Corporation, Philip Morris International, MOONWELL USDT, GOATSEUS MAXIMUS USDT and ETHEREUM USDT. If you're not a member of Team NakedTrader yet, would you be so kind to press that subscribe button? It will help me a lot. And for now, let's kick off with the weekly performance of the crypto market. Overall, a red week so far, only a few green ones in the top 100. Gold went up 122, Ray 55, SPX 17.6, Cats in a Dog's World 20.1, Rune 7.7, Popcat 17.9, Jupiter 11.12, and a lot of red numbers. ApeCoin minus 33, TIA minus 10.8, Gala minus 18, EMX minus 18, Ondo minus 10.8, and if I change to the daily, today slightly more green than red ones. Ray went up 12.6, Arrow 11.5, Dutch 2.7, Monero 1.8, and some red numbers. Hex minus 3.7, Beam minus 3.5, Pulse Chain minus 3.6, Link minus 1.2, TIA minus 2, and from here let's go to CoinmarketCap. Currently a market cap of 2.28 trillion with a 24-hour volume of 43.89 billion, and current fear and greed is 52, which is neutral. And the top 10 coins of today are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Ripple, Dogecoin, Tron and Toncoin. And from here I will go to the weekly performance of the stock market. So far a lot of red, only a few green ones. Tesla went up 21.97, General Motors 5.88, Philip Morris 8.03, Microsoft 2.39, Nvidia 2.56, Taiwan Semiconductors 1.32, and a lot of red numbers there. Sony minus 3.29, McDonald's Corporation minus 7.57, Nike minus 4.91, Coca-Cola minus 5. Yes. And from here let's start with the weekly chart of Bitcoin. Currently about 11.5 hours to close this week's candle. So far we have a red weekly candle, but let's see if we can close above 65,900. That will be a gain of the previous high here. I will show the levels. And I will change to the daily. And I will show last week's scenario. So if you play the entry here at, what was it, 65,100, you are in profits. About 5.48. I assume you already took some profits here and played the rejection. Increase your stop loss. Okay, so this scenario is in play. If the price keeps rejecting, then we will see either a test of 63,580. So that is this play. where is it? Here. And if it fall below support of 63,580, then the next entry at 61,357. The entry here got filled, but I expected a test little higher. So let's see if Bitcoin can aim for 73k. And else, if it managed to break through 73k, let's say test around 75, 76, pull back with an entry around 70,800. So all scenarios remains the same. And from Bitcoin, I will go to Microsoft, starting at the monthly. Current price around 428.15. All-time high was at 468. I will add some levels. Okay, from the monthly, here was the all-time high, pullback, entry at the start of the impulse at 392. Let's see if it can break the all-time high. I'll change to the weekly. Okay. What can we expect? Currently at the resistance of 428. So if the price rejects, then the entry between 366 and 374. Aiming to go up from there. There's a potential play of 8.98. And if the price fall through support over there, then the next entry between 336 and 345, trying to go up from there. And the most defensive play is the play of 317. So 3 entries here. Can start scaling a little bit here, a little bit more here. And if the price managed to go up, let's say print a new all-time high, pull back with entry at current price, aiming to go higher. So for potential scenarios for Microsoft, and from Microsoft I'll go to Philip Morris, currently at all-time highs. All-time high was at 133, current price is at 129. Don't forget to take some profits, and I will start adding some monthly levels. From the monthly, I will change to the weekly. So, okay. Let's change to the daily. And I'll go back to the weekly. If the price managed to go higher, then pullback with a very aggressive entry here at 121.90, aiming for new all-time highs. But that's a high risk play. And else, this one is already played. The entry at 110.92. Trying to go up from there. And if it falls through support over there, the entry at 102.30. And if the price managed to go even higher, then more aggressive entry at 126.15. So 4 potential scenarios for Philip Morris, and from here I will go to MOONWELL USDT, starting at the weekly. All-time high just above 10 cents, 10.47. Price went insane over the last few weeks, almost 900%. So is it too late? Let's find some interesting price. Okay. From the weekly, I'll change to the daily. Four hours. Yeah. I'll go back to the daily and make a plan for the coming days. Insane. So if the price managed to print a new all-time high, pullback with a very aggressive entry at 9.4 cents, aiming to go higher, but it's a high risk play. I'd rather play more defensive. So the entry here at 6.4 cents, trying to go up from there, and then take some profits here. First target point around 15%. And else I would play the entry here at 4.3 cents, aiming to go up, trying to go up from there, with the entry at 3.7 cents, trying to go up from there. So 4 potential scenarios for MOONWELL USDT, and from MOONWELL I will go to GOATSEUS MAXIMUS USDT, starting at the weekly daily, current price is 69 cents, 70 cents. There's not a lot of price information, but let's see what I can find. And from the daily I will change to the 4-hour. Here was the rejection of the previous high. Price went back to the start of the impulse, trying to go up from there. And let's see. Okay, let's make a plan for the coming days. So if the price managed to go up, then I would like to see a new all-time high, pullback with entry around 76, aiming to go higher. And if the price keeps rejecting, then I would play the entry between 45 and 49 cents, trying to go up from there. And the more defensive entry is the entry here between 25.60 and 28.75, trying to go up from there. And the most defensive play, but we rather don't want to come here anymore, then it's really losing momentum. That's the entry just between 13.35 and 14.85 cents. So 4 potential scenarios for GOAT USDT, and from here I will go to Ethereum, starting at the weekly. Currently a red week and about 11 hours to close this week's candle. A rejection, price went back to the start of the impulse. It's compressed a lot, so I'll expect a big move for Ethereum the coming days. From the weekly, let's change to the daily, and I will show last week's scenarios. Flawless entry here. The entry at 2388 got filled. The price went as low as 2,385. So the precision is amazing, only $3 difference. So if you played this entry, you could have had 4.90% profits. I hope you took some profits there and increase your stop loss. So this one activated, aiming for 2,680. Keep in mind, if the price rejects, then we will see a lower test of 1,934, and else this one also still possible. The test of 3,058, pullback with entry at 2,609. I will add one more. Can also go like this, test of 2,857, and then this entry here around 2,520 is activated, aiming to break the 2,857. So 4 potential scenarios for Ethereum the coming days. And thank you guys for watching today's episode. If you have any requests, just drop it down in the comments below. And see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.